In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Canva. If your text looks too cramped or the lines feel too far apart, adjusting the line spacing can make a big difference in how clean, polished, and readable your design feels. This is especially useful when you're working on presentations, social media posts, posters, or any design that includes multiple lines of text. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Canva design and click on the text box you want to edit. Make sure the text box is selected, because Canva only shows text editing options when that specific text element is active. If nothing is selected, you may not see the controls you need in the top toolbar. Once your text box is selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Advanced Settings. This area gives you more detailed control over how your text looks beyond just the font style and size. It's where you can fine-tune spacing and create a more balanced layout. Inside the advanced text options, look for the line spacing setting. This controls the vertical space between each line of text inside your text box. If your paragraph feels crowded, increasing the spacing can help each line breathe a little more. If the text feels too spread out and disconnected, reducing the spacing can make it feel tighter and more visually cohesive. Now drag the line spacing slider left or right to adjust the spacing. As you move the slider, keep an eye on your text in the design so you can see the changes in real time. This live preview makes it easier to find a setting that matches the style and purpose of your design. Choose a spacing level that makes your text comfortable and easy to read. A good rule is to aim for balance. You want enough space so the lines don't feel cramped, but not so much that the paragraph looks broken apart. The right setting often depends on the font you're using, the amount of text, and the overall look you want. Take a moment to compare the updated spacing with the rest of your design. Small adjustments like this can have a big impact on readability and visual appeal. And that's it. That's how to adjust line spacing in Canva quickly and effectively.